this thing on. You know what I'm saying? Rain or shine, we haunting, alright? We don't play no games, alright? Tell them we don't play games.
We don't play reindeer games.
It's supposed to rain all night, so. Alright, so I'm going through the houses, checking the breakers. I just checked the ones on the hospital. I'm in the hospital right now. They're holding, so I'm gonna go check the funeral home, see how we're looking. Hey, the rain's holding up a little bit right now. Hopefully it stays that way. Alright. When I get to the funeral home breaker, I'll...
Hey Ray, what's your 20?
Alright, so at the funeral breaker, let's see, we're holding. That one's holding. That one's holding. That one's not holding. That cemetery's fucked up. Everything else is holding though. So this one's our problem. This is what you don't want to see. It goes in the middle like that. See, when they hold, they stay over. When they're tripping, it's like, alright. I think I know what usually is causing the problem. So, let me go over there, see if I can figure it out. Well, since my GoPro's waterproof now, I feel like this is the best time to use this. Look how fucked we are right now. Still running though, still running. On life or no life. Alright, so we just got done with the groups that came to the hayride, so I'm shutting it down right now. As you can see, the rain never decided to work with us. So we're having a lot of electrical problems back here tonight, but it was a short night. It was only a 2-hour night, so let's see what all is still on back here. I already turned that middle section of hayride off, so puddles on puddles. You still working?
Last group has enter silo.
That guy, that animation's just turned off in that middle section. Jaws feels real tonight with how much fucking water there is. Alright, I'm gonna avoid this. That's a straight, endless pit. Shark's still moving though. Shark is still moving. This back section where the Headless Horseman is on that breaker we just shut off, but where it starts this Friday the 13th stuff, the breaker kept tripping on it. So this little strip of buildings right here was off most of the night. So the rain's done all the way through Halloween, because tomorrow's Monday the 30th, and then Tuesday is the big day. Yeah, all these animations are off tonight. All we could get to stick on was the Pennywise house. I think if you go back in some other vlogs, you can see how much of stuff in this hayride is actually lit up. So if you want to go back and reference it, see how many electrical problems we have tonight. A lot more puddles, straight mud. Hey, these actors held it down though, they're with the shits. That breaker off. And this one should be the last hayride breaker. And we're dark. I think there's still customers on the other side of this in Silo X right now. So we'll get here early tomorrow because we'll have a lot of electrical problems to fix. So we'll see you then. The Ghost Ride Ghost wishes you a good Halloween if you don't see another vlog again. Here, let me see. Happy Halloween! Alright, like I said, guys, if you guys don't see another vlog before Halloween, I hope you guys have an awesome fucking Halloween. All the home haunts out there, all the pro haunts out there. I want to see all the videos. Post them and shit. Send the links. I want to see them. Like I said, guys, kill it on fucking Halloween. If I don't hear from you again. I'm gonna try to go live or some shit on Halloween. Guys, so this prop in Selena's room, she broke it.
I didn't break it.
And if you look under there, I took the siding off. That little, see the little cylinder there? It welds onto that square tubing that's like kind of at a curve angle, like all these pieces weld together, and that's what shoots them out and makes them lean forward. So we gotta weld that back on there and you know, fix it, because you know who broke it last night.
I didn't break shit.
Tell them what happened when it broke, like what you saw.
I didn't really see anything. I was hearing it like struggling back and forth and shit. It was thumping, okay? It was doing the thumping.
Like thump. Thump, 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 thump.
Basically, yeah.
Alright, let's see if we got power. We got power. And hopefully this breaker will hold. I don't know. Like, I mean, it's coming straight off the outlet, so it should hold. But let me get some tacks on here and then we'll put some welds down. I might bring like some bar over to reinforce it. Alright. So, this is the real haunt life right now.
I can see.
This is a real look into what it's like doing all that half shit. So, doesn't look fun? Don't want that. Alright, so we got this. Let's see if that can strike me an arc.
No, I can't look at you.
Let's see if I can pop a tack on this real quick. Fuck.
What?
A hat on the one.
Let me know if there's fire, because I won't be able to see anything.
I'm just gonna tack on it just to see how it holds.
Oh, okay.
It's just like really gummed up with shit. Oh, if I can clean it off and put a nice clean bead on here, we should be okay. It smells like tortillas.
Okay.
Some dime. Weird. I don't know why it smells like tortillas. I think it's because of all the dirt down here.
It's not poisonous, right?
No.
What do you know?
I don't think it is. But they didn't have to turn the fog machines on right when I started welding.
Oh. I was like, is that fire? Smoky in here already.
Calling me dimesprops.com. Alright. If this breaks, then it's not my fault. Or is it my fault if it breaks?
I would hope
good,
not.
though. I laid some slappers on there. Alright, hold that rod. I'm gonna take the speaker out from this thing. Push him up a little bit. Alright, put him down. I just don't want this airline to get hot. Alright, let's go fire up the air and see if she works. Ugh. Oh, shit, man. Alright, they don't call me the prop master for nothing. Alright, let's see it, babe. Step on it. It's back in action. What do you have to say about him?
Alright, go.
Oh God! Oh God! Alright guys, so we're open right now. I don't know if I said this over the summer whenever we were working on props, but these Flex 2s are really not good when they get wet. They don't like to fire up. I don't know if it's like a new kind of circuit board or anything they're using.
Better get him, Squiggly!
Or if it's
Squiggly
not,
eyes!
or if it's not or if the housing isn't good on this one, because this is the only one that I've worked with so far, these Flex 2s. And I took everything off. It's for this Scare Factory fucking Ghost, so I really want to get it working just because it's fucking...
Try to get through the exit.
It's one of the icon animations, so I'm going to try and dry it out because I'll show you when you put the power supply in. I might take it over to the office and try and get it powered up. And I don't think it's the power supply because the power supply is getting power, and I saw it strike an arc right there earlier, so hopefully I can figure this out because I really want him to run. But if this controller's going to be an asshole, then I don't know. Alright, it's about 2 hours till Halloween. We got frost on the roof. This fucking thing's about to die, dude. I guess we're like low on diesel. I came to go turn the light off, but it sounds like it's about to shit to bed anyway. Just like that, we're done for the night. Halloween night. It's fastly approaching. It is 10:41, so we got what, babe? Hour and 20 minutes left. You ready for Halloween?
It's like an hour left. What are you talking about?
All right, we gotta get home before the midnight hour strikes so we can start carving our pumpkin.